Hi guys, today I am in the park. My daddy and mommy is sitting or sitting, I don't know. Okay, look, I'm sweating all around. Oh, I'm so scared I'm gonna be in that water. Do you know guys what he's doing? Weird, right? Okay, let's go back. This is my stuff I'm gonna ride. So guys, I'm gonna ride one. I don't know, but I'm just gonna ride around with you guys. Okay, guys, we're going there, or we should keep going. I think we should keep going. Yeah, we should keep riding stuff. And yeah. So guys, what are we gonna do? What do you guys want to do? Maybe you guys catch me. Okay. Oh my God! Now you guys can see me very better. Oh yeah, or something because it's so shiny. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. Now right back. Okay, let me ride back over there. I'm gonna give back the phone to Dad. I got an iPad. Oh, I have an iPad. And look, see the trees are getting all these stuff here. And I don't really like. And mommies hate to go. And then, okay, and there's someone there and here we're talking. Mommy's looking at her phone. Yep. And look at the view. It's cool, right? Now you don't really see me again. Oh, now you can see me. I mean, I can see right now. Mommy, can I go there? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go in here. Maybe just ride a little bit, like maybe just like, because I need to get back. No. Nice. Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna go here and we're gonna stop and then go back because, yeah. So that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, right now I'm riding back to my mommy and daddy, so what a nice day today, right? But it's so hot. It's weird. It's very hot, guys. Do you think that I should get my ear pierced? If this video gets 100 likes, then we're gonna get. 100,000, 2,000 likes, then I'm gonna get my ear pierced. Okay, so right now I wanna tell you guys right now. If you wanna meet me, then go to Indie Home. Oh, okay. Oh, good idea. Okay. So yeah, what I said, if you want to meet me and go to my home, just go to Indie Home and 19th floor and 21. Yeah, and go to 21. If you see that in 21, then go. I'll go with you guys. Subscribe, like, and share. We're gonna give. Wait. We're gonna give away a lot of stuff. What we need to do is just comment done. And yeah, what you need to do is just comment done, and I said it's a prize wherever you are. So look at the few mommy and daddy are sitting in front of the sea. See? And today, actually, I don't know if you guys watched the last video. Oh, we're gonna put it in a little bit. We're gonna I don't know, is that the last video? I don't know. We go to the dragon race competition. That's so cool. They're riding. And is it here they ride? Oh yeah, they ride here, right? No, they don't actually. They're right here. I don't know. Maybe it's the north side. And right now it's kind of windy, so I can see that they're in. And I don't know why we're here, but I don't know. I just want to ride my scooter. See, whoa! Okay, this is my scooter. Guys, this is my scooter. Scooter, see? That's a mini scooter. This is right when I'm little. And if you guys know what he is doing, tell us in the comments. We have like no idea. And now, you know, it's summer for us. So they're pretty. See, these are very pretty, and my water bottle is very long, as you know, because it's so hot. And I'm wearing these shoes. Ask us. See, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, yes, guys, see, because it's so hot. It's like flaming hot. And look at my dress. It's so cool, right? Today, I buy it in Sarah because I love Sarah. I buy it there. So, guys, we just gonna keep riding. Yeah, and then let's see what happens. Okay, that guy. I know what's true. Okay, that time, he's like, I just saw him like get some water there. That's so silly, guys. So, okay, Daddy said last minutes on the phone. So, maybe see you guys later. And so excited. It's so cool. So, see you guys later. Bye. And subscribe, like, and share. Bye.